Hello my alien students, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing well. So today we're going to do something very beautiful. Okay, we're going to learn how to size pipes where in Revit automatically. Okay, manually you can do it. Okay, I teach you automatic now. Maybe in the next class or something I teach you how to do manual. I believe manual is much easier compared to automatic, but I teach you both, isn't it? Okay, we'll learn now how do we pipe size, in the sense how do we size the pipe automatically using Revit software, isn't it? Pipe sizing, that's called pipe sizing, isn't it? Okay, so listen, before you start this project, okay, let's go to our project browser. Okay, first you need to select the water source heat pump. Okay, so select each heat pump and you will see the water flow. Okay, 0.76 liters per second, whatever, isn't it? This is water flow, isn't it? Okay, then what you will do you select the pipe and see its water flow also. Flow, not water flow, flow. Where is flow? Yeah, see, flow, Reynolds number, whatever, isn't it? Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to do automatic pipe sizing. Okay, pipe sizing automatically. Okay, see, there are two methods to do it. Okay, one is you select individually. Okay, this is one way. Or okay, there is a cooling tower here. No? Keep your mouse there and select the whole system. Any comments? Beautiful. Okay, so keep your mouse 3. Okay, you need to select the whole piping system, isn't it? Any comments? Okay, then what you will do is you go and click duct or / pipe sizing. Click that. Okay, we have different methods for pipe sizing. You know, this is a dialog box which is having pipe sizing, isn't it? One is sizing method and one is constraints, isn't it? Okay, you would ask me one question, John, you know what, from where do Revit knows what size of pipes do I use? Good question, isn't it? What size? Example here, it's restricted. Let's show you. Okay, so you have some size here. Why do you think Revit only uses this size? Why doesn't it use some other size? Okay, for this answer, okay, you just need to go somewhere called as where, I'll show you. Go to system tab, okay, and then from there go to mechanical settings. Beautiful. Okay, from here you would be going pipe, no? Yeah, so you would say segments, yeah, segments and sizes. Okay, for each material Revit has predefined some sizes. For example, if it's copper, he is given it as this many sizes. You want to add, you can add. See one of my videos I have done before, how to add new sizes, etc., isn't it? So this is, there is two let's say columns. One is used in size list and one is used in sizing. We are talking about this. If it is unchecked, okay, let's say we unchecked some of them. Okay, just give me an example. You would not be finding it in the pipe sizing. Okay, this is for pipe sizing. This is for options bar. Okay, you would understand what I mean in a couple of minutes now. Okay, type. Okay, so then what you're going to do is keep your mouse like this. Okay, select it and click pipe sizing. Okay, so then what you're going to do, let's say friction method. How much friction we need? 2.5. We are in are we in imperial? Yeah, we are in imperial units, isn't it? Sorry, yeah, it's not metric, it is a metric file, Pascal, isn't it? Okay, so what we're going to do is, okay, let me just do it again. See, this is a metric file, isn't it? I do it again. Keep your mouse on the cooling tower, isn't it? Select the pipes, or say pipe system. Go and click your friend piping duct / pipe sizing, isn't it? Click it. Okay, there are, there are different methods of pipe sizing. Let's click friction. Okay, change the value to 245 Pascal, isn't it? Pascal / meter per meter. And you also want to calculate by velocity, with is 1.2 meters per second, isn't it? Is this clear? Okay, type. Next one, constraint. Use, instead of match conductor size, isn't it? Any comments? And then click OK. Then Revit will load the file, isn't it? Not to, yeah, reload the file and do calculations accordingly. Okay, so now you can see the pipe has let's say difference in size. 1 minute. We said we cannot do this, isn't it? We cannot see the, if you see here, it is blocked, isn't it? So what we do is say okay now. Good. Okay, you can see the difference in sizing, isn't it? Okay, this is 100, isn't it? If you go, you will have to get 90. Yeah, 90. You see, he automatically sized the pipe. 80, isn't it? See the pipe size conversion chart, isn't it? Any comments? 32. Beautiful. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful small class on the pipe sizing, automatically telling Revit, or let's say asking Revit to do your job, isn't it? Pipe sizing. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class. In the next class or something, I teach you how to do duct sizing automatically, okay, using the software called Revit. Okay, anyway, take care, and we see each other fresh and energized in the next class. Yalla, bye.